Is it okay if I join the ride? Sure, just try and keep quiet. This is a top secret mission. Okay. Please give me a bit of space. The pilot needs a bit of, room. Ow! Hey, why'd you kick me off? Get him back. Fine, Miss Beauty. Wait, fall back. Open up the door. You're alive. You're... Of course I am. I'm not so alive. Dang it! Found her. You shouldn't be reunited with her. You're the one who kidnapped her. Well, duh. How was I gonna make her into cupcakes? You psycho! Hurry! Get on the helicopter! Get on the helicopter! I don't know how to drive this thing, but I'll learn how. Now get in. Ouch. Can't lock that up tight. Can't lock this thing up tight. Move your mane out of the way, you silly filly. And your tail. Okay, I'm ready. Wait, don't ditch me. All I'm gonna do is get my money. Money from what? Yeah, money from what? Money for my bakery in Ponyville. We're not taking you home. 'Cause we need to go home first. Okay, fine then. Ditch me at this island.